Okay, so today we're going to learn about our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system, and we're going to learn them from the sun. So here's our sun. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury. The second planet from the sun is Venus. The third, which we live on, is Earth. The fourth is Mars. The fifth, which is the biggest, is Jupiter. Saturn is the sixth, which has rings. The seventh is Uranus. It also has rings. And our last planet, which is the 8th planet, is Neptune, and it has rings as well. These 8 planets make up our solar system. So the first planet we're going to learn about today is Mercury, the swiftest planet. Here's a picture. Some important facts you might want to know about are that Mercury speeds around the sun every 88 days. There are no moons on Mercury, and it is the closest planet to the sun. The second planet is Venus. It's a planetary hotspot. Here's a picture. It spins slowly in the opposite direction of all other planets except for Uranus. It also has no moons. It is a terrestrial planet, and it is the second planet from the sun. The third planet, which is Earth, this is the planet we live on. Here's a picture of what our home planet looks like. It's the third planet from the sun. It's the 5th largest planet in the solar system. It's the largest of all the terrestrial planets. It's the only planet with life. It's the only planet not named after a Roman or Greek god or goddess. Earth's meaning is ground, and as we know, it has one moon. Mars, which is the red planet, here is a picture. Some important facts about Mars is it is the last terrestrial planet. It's the 4th planet from the sun. It has the largest volcano in the solar system, known as Olympus Mons, and it has 2 moons. Jupiter, which is the biggest planet, as we talked about earlier, it's the king of the planets. And pay particular attention to this little spot. It's actually quite a big red spot. That we'll learn about here in a minute. It's the 5th planet from the sun. It's the largest planet in our solar system. It has something known as the Great Red Spot. Remember that spot I just showed you? It's called the Great Red Spot. This spot is a giant storm bigger than the size of Earth. It has more than 50 moons, and it has the shortest day in our solar system. Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Here's a picture of Saturn with its ring. It's the second largest planet. It has great big rings around the planet. It's got 53 confirmed moons. It's the 6th planet from the sun. Uranus, the sideways planet. There's a picture. It's the 7th planet from the sun, surrounded by 13 faint rings. Only a planet whose equator is nearly at a right angle to its orbit. Rotates in the opposite direction than most planets, like Venus. It has 27 moons, and it is named for the Greek god of the sky. And the last planet we will learn about today is Neptune, our windiest planet. Here's a picture of Neptune. It's the 8th planet from the sun. It takes this planet 165 years to orbit the sun. It cannot be seen from Earth with the human eye. This planet's winds can be 9 times stronger than Earth's. It has 6 known rings, and it has 13 moons. So all these planets are the planets in our solar system.